my channel. You guys read the title. Today I am going to do a makeup video after so long. I asked you guys on Instagram if you want me to try some viral makeup products. Some of you actually sent me your ride and die products also to try out. So I'm super excited for this video. Also, before we begin, I want to let you guys know that there is a huge giveaway in this video. Towards the end, I will tell you guys all of the rules and everything you need to follow. This giveaway will have 10 winners, so तुम लोगों के तो मजे हो जाएंगे. Stay tuned towards the end and let's get started. Every single product that I will show you guys, I got them from the Tata Click Palette app. सबके जैसे मैं भी बहुत ज़्यादा शॉर्ट्स वगैरह देखती हूँ एंड वहीं से मुझे ये सारे प्रोडक्ट्स के रिकमेंडेशंस मिले थे. सो आई फाउंड ऑल ऑफ दीज प्रोडक्ट्स ऑन द ऐप इटसेल्फ एंड मुझे सबसे अच्छी बात लगी इस ऐप की दैट दे हैव दिस थिंग कॉल्ड ब्यूटी आईडी. सो बेसिकली वंस यू लाइक डाउनलोड द ऐप देयर इज अ क्विज एंड यू कैन फिल इन योर डिटेल्स. सो जब आप ये क्वेश्चंस आंसर कर दोगे लाइक आपकी हेयर टाइप कैसी है, आपकी स्किन टाइप कैसी है, कॉम्बिनेशन है या फिर आपकी ड्राई हेयर है, उसके बाद आपको एक पर्सनलाइज फीड मिलेगा जहाँ पे you know it will be curated as per your liking and the products will be catered to you solely. They also have articles, blogs and videos that are created by industry experts, so you will also get expert insights on the app itself. Pause this video, download it right now so that if you like any of my recommendations या फिर आपको कोई भी product अच्छा लगता है तो आप तुरंत उसको खरीद सकते हो. And yeah, let's begin. Anyway, I'm not going in some specific order because it's a haul and this is how we do things here. Okay, I was lying. The first product is the first thing that I actually used on my face today and oh my goodness, this product is amazing. I'm sure you guys have heard about this. So this is a gem roller rose quartz gua sha. I saw this exact gua sha in so many videos and I'm sure you guys can see कि इसका shape थोड़ा अलग है. It's not flat. My face is always bloated or swollen. That's just how it is. It is super easy to use, you guys. You just have to use like some type of either oil or moisturizer or lotion, जो भी आप अपने face पे लगाना चाहो, and उसके बाद you just have to glide it on your face. You will see how I use this and I am absolutely in love with this. This is definitely one of those products that I will genuinely use because of the results that I saw. I think my makeup looks more nice today because like my face is so chiseled. I could feel that my face has like deep puffed completely. And ये specific वाला design मैंने बहुत skincare experts को use करते हुए देखा है and they always say that this is more effective because it can just hold on to the skin better rather than a flat surface. इसको एक बार try करना, I'm telling you, your life will be changed. Okay, another super viral, super hyped product that literally everyone and their moms are talking about on YouTube, on every social media is this product by L'Oreal Paris. So this is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-hour fresh wear foundation in a powder. Basically it's a powder foundation. ये रहा आपका product and इसके अंदर एक applicator भी आपको मिलता है जो मैंने use किया है आज. It also has a mirror. The packaging is actually convenient and it's not like heavy or thick, so this is something that you can easily travel with. My shade is vanilla and I was pleasantly surprised that it worked well. Now this is not like super full coverage like a foundation. It is so damn hot and humid here and ऐसी चीज ना आपको 10 times better लगेगी किसी भी liquid foundation या फिर you know whatever like foundation creams वगैरह से. For me this is a medium to full coverage product and definitely you can build it and it did cover up a lot of my acne scars. One thing I do want to mention is that this is amazing for oily skin, but if you have dry skin आपको अपने face को बहुत अच्छे से moisturize करना पड़ेगा. So if you want this to like glide on your face nicely and not stick on dry patches, make sure that आप अपने face को बहुत अच्छे से moisturize करो. And then there is another product that I will show you. You can use that before you use this product and it will work really well. Now I did use it on one side of my face, this side with this applicator, and on another side I used another applicator. Now this is also super viral. Like literally everyone I see has like switched to this product. This one I got from PAC. This is what it looks like. To be honest, मैं बहुत surprised थी इसका size देख के because I was expecting it to be like a tiny little puff. It comes in this packaging. They always make sure that you have a cover for all of your products, which I really appreciate. वरना you know products बहुत जल्दी गंदे हो जाते हैं. And this is what the puff looks like. And इसका texture and everything, it's not like the other puffs जो मैंने यूज किए. एंड दिस इज समथिंग दैट यू कैन यूज विद लिक्विड्स ऑल्सो, क्रीम प्रोडक्ट्स ऑल्सो, एंड ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन यूज इट एज अ पाउडर पफ. दिस आई यूज टू ब्लेंड माई कंसीलर एंड आई वॉज so surprised कि इतने अच्छे से मेरा कंसीलर ब्लेंड हुआ, लाइक बेटर देन एनी ब्रश. यू नो ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर को भी फेल कर दिया. इतना सीमलेस, कोई स्ट्रीक्स नहीं फेस पे. एंड देन आई यूज द सेम थिंग टू ट्राई द powder foundation from L'Oreal, and I used it all over my face, and this did the job so well. Like a 10 on 10 product this is. I don't think I will use beauty blenders and all of that much anymore. I'm definitely going to stick to this. I'm going to call this my little guy as well. Of course I will. Okay, since we are just talking about the base products, let's talk about these two amazing products. First I'll start with this concealer. This is by Lakme, the Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Liquid Concealer. I got it in the shade 20 Nude. So this launched a while back. I never knew about it. This is a good blendable concealer. I did not think that it is too matte, to be honest. Like my under eyes are super dry, you know that. But I did not feel कि बहुत drying है या फिर बहुत ही जल्दी मेरे fine lines पे settle हो रहा है या कुछ भी. I feel like this gives a more natural look. This is not full coverage by any means. So you have to keep that in mind. And this is something that I will use as like an everyday concealer, and बहुत ही smooth इसका finish है. Okay, let's come to this product. This is the Color Bar Spotlight Illuminating Lotion. एक तो इसका पैकेजिंग ना इतना मुझे अच्छा लगा. So you have to twist it and here comes the nozzle. Now this is a product you want to use before you apply your primer. This is a luminous lotion, but इसमें ना वो chunky glitter particles नहीं है जो ऐसे आपको दूर से दिखता है, वैसा नहीं है. It just gives you that healthy glow from within. Now I got this because 2-3 people said that this is a very close dupe of the MAC Stroke Cream. Now मैंने कभी भी MAC Stroke Cream use नहीं किया है, so I don't know how that works. I use this and I personally really like it, and a very nice like first step to your skin prep before you put on like layers and layers of your makeup. And if you're looking for a MAC Stroke Cream dupe according to the internet, you can definitely go for this. Okay, let's talk about this product again that I saw everyone talk about, like literally every single person. ये fairly new launch and this is by Maybelline. So this is the Maybelline Tattoo Brow Gel and this is what it looks like. इसका applicator वगैरह बिल्कुल same है, like it's like any other product, but the formula is kind of like liquidy. It does not have like fibers or anything, so it is pretty liquidy. And that was my first mistake, that मैंने इसको ऐसे ही ना normally लगा लिया जैसे मैं अपने बाकी के products लगा रही थी, and then I got like very Shinchan like eyebrows, which was my fault completely. So the best way to use this is take a little bit of product. Don't be like me. थोड़ा product लो, excess को remove कर दो, and then पीछे से start करो, then go forward. This is a great product for people who have no eyebrows या फिर जिनके बहुत ही ऐसे thin eyebrows हैं. This is definitely like a tattoo brow gel. It's not like your normal eyebrow gel, so keep that in mind while you use this. By the way, my shade is deep brown. Okay, let's talk about a mascara, and this is the Big Papa mascara by Wet n Wild. I think ये किसी टाइम पे ना टिकटॉक पे वायरल हुआ था. So this is what it looks like. इसका wand कुछ ऐसा है. So personally I'm not crazy about volume. I want length more than volume. So this will give you a lot of volume and this will also make your lashes very long and ऐसे ना curled बिल्कुल आपके lashes हो जाएंगे. It is a bit clumpy because that is how you get the volume. So make sure कि आप जो excess product है वो ऐसे करके निकाल दो, and then जितना भी remaining product है ना उससे आप लगाना. So you will get like the best outcome. Alright, moving on to a blush by Color Bar again. Now I've used ये Color Bar का blush, not this shade but a different shade. So again, I saw someone's recommendations, like makeup kit के recommendation में they had recommended this shade. So this is called Rosy Peach. Now I don't like something that is too peachy and I don't like something that is like too light pink. So ये ना उसका best mix है. It looks stunning on the cheeks. Like I have applied it and it gives you that natural, you know, flushed look. इतना सुंदर लग रहा था, and I think ये perfect summer blush shade है, and this remains out of stock a lot of times. So if you can get your hands on this, definitely go for this. इसका formula भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है. It is pigmented enough, and if you apply too much blush, then you can obviously blend it out, and that is why I like this so much, because it does not get patchy once you blend it in. Alright guys, time for the last product. I know I've been sitting here talking about all of these products for so long, but this one is the grand finale because this is like my top 3 favorites from this video. Is literally the most hyped viral product ever. I've seen so many videos on this and I did not try it for the longest time until now. So I finally tried the Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Lipstick. I got it in the shade Saucy and this is what I have on right now. I am absolutely in love with this shade. This is the prettiest nude rosy shade ever. Like, look at that. इसको लगाने का एक प्रॉपर टेक्निक है. इट्स नॉट लाइक योर एवरेज लिपस्टिक कि आपने ऐसे ही लगा लिया एंड यू विल बी गुड टू गो. अदरवाइज यू विल फील लाइक योर लिपस्टिक इज कमिंग ऑफ, या फिर आपको ना बहुत ज्यादा ऐसे अजीब सा टेक्सचर्ड फील होगा अपने लिप्स पे. सो first you have to shake the bottle, it makes a noise also, and then you have to apply it like properly. एक layer आप लगाओ, ऊपर नीचे अच्छे से लगाओ. And the most important thing is don't smack your lips. ऐसे हम smack करते हैं ना लिपस्टिक लगाने के बाद, वो नहीं करना है. वो करने से ही ना लिपस्टिक पूरा खराब हो जाता है बिकॉज इसका फॉर्मूला बहुत अलग है. दिस हैज अ मैट फॉर्मूला बट इट ऑल्सो गिव्स यू अ शाइन एंड इट इज सपोज टू बी 16 आवर लॉन्ग वेयरिंग. वो मैंने अभी तक ट्राई नहीं किया है बट आई एम प्रीटी श्योर कि ये काफी देर तक आपके लिप्स पे टिक जाएगा. एंड वंस यू लेट इट ड्राई कंप्लीटली इट बिकम्स स्मच प्रूफ. आई टोटली गेट द हाइप ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट. आई अंडरस्टैंड ये इतना वायरल कैसे हुआ क्योंकि genuinely बहुत different है from any other lipstick that I have in my collection. And yeah, that is it for today's video and those are all the hyped viral products that I have for you. I hope that this video was helpful and you guys got some good recommendations. Now coming to the most exciting part, I know you all are waiting for this. So I will be giving out 10 hampers worth 5,000 rupees each to 10 of you of course. So first 5 winners will be those जो सबसे ज्यादा इस वीडियो के साथ engage करेंगे. Share this video with your friends and family. Comment down below and just engage with it as much as you want. And जो बाकी के 5 winners होंगे they will be chosen on the basis of who shops the most from the Tata Click Palette app. So next 7 days में they have so many offers running on the app. So if you shop from them then you have a chance to win the hamper. I would highly recommend you guys to download the app and check out the products and the offers that are running and see for yourself what you like. App का link description box में होगा so don't forget to check it out. Also as always every single product that I showed you guys in this video will be tagged so don't forget to check out the view product section and वहाँ पे आप tap करोगे तो आपको सारे products मिल जाएंगे. And yeah, that is about it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I had so much fun filming this video and you know trying out all of these products. And yeah, that is about it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.